Good morning, writers. I wanted to give you a really quick demonstration of what you'll see if you try to use the hypothesis version of the article, because when you first click on this link, it doesn't automatically click into the article itself. So if you click into this link for the hypothesis version of the article, you'll come to this page and you don't actually see the article itself. So the first thing you have to do is click here where it shows us there have been 8 annotations made. Those are all from me in the demonstration I did. So I'm going to just click on this to open it up. And once this little strip is open, you'll see I can visit the annotations in context. When I click here, it opens another link, another tab, and you'll see the article opens, and then you'll see that I need to log in to actually see the annotations. So if you haven't made your hypothesis account yet, you do need to do that, and then you can log in to see the annotations. So I'm going to do that real quickly here. So that logged me in, and now you can see the annotations. And if I click on either the annotation itself, you'll see that it highlights what it associates with, or if I click on a highlighted part, it'll open just that annotation. And when I'm looking only at one annotation at a time, if I want to see all of the annotations in the article, I can click up here, show all annotations, and then I'll see them. So as you start adding annotations as well, there will be more annotations in the article. You can also reply to an annotation somebody else has made if you want to add to that comment, pose a question, suggest another way of thinking about it, or extending the thinking in some way. So I hope that helps if you want to try to use the hypothesis tool to do your talk to the text exercise. Let me know if you have any questions.